opportunity to speak with Juan Cortes, who works for a multinational company. In this interview, I'll be asking him a few questions about the use of artificial intelligence, AI, and how this technology influences intercultural environments within organizations. Thank you so much, Juan, for the opportunity. And tell me about the company where you work and what is your role.
Hi, good evening. Currently, I'm a Java software developer for Wizeline. I am a consult. Additionally, I'm a consultant assigned to Warner.
All right, so let's thank you for the brief introduction. Now, then I want to ask you, what is the level of integration of AI in your company? Maybe it is not used in any process, it's used in a limited way in some projects, it is integrated into several key processes, or it's essential in almost all operations.
I like to say AI is already part of several key processes across Wizeline, not just for Warner, but for most of our clients. We use it to improve automation, data analysis, and even code quality. There is also a big focus on a shift left mentality, meaning we try to bring testing, automation, and AI tools into the process as early as possible.
All right, and what are the areas where AI has the greatest impact? Human resources and recruitment, making marketing and customer services, production and operations, or data analysis and strategy planning?
You can say definitely in data analysis and decision making, AI helps us turn large amount of data into insights that guide both business and technical decisions. You can say whether it's improving user experience, predicting trends, or optimizing performances for our clients.
Thank you. And what are the strategies implemented to adapt to technological change, internal training and update programs, or hiring external technology experts, creation of an innovation team, or no formal, or Wiseline does not have formal strategies implemented yet.
One of the main things is that Wiseline does have a really strong learning culture. We have internal programs that, such as workshops, and a lot of space to experiment learning. Uh, I'd like to mention that we do have weekly demos that encourages people to try new AI tools and share what information they gather from their testing, internal projects, etc. And you can say that combined with the shift left mindset, it helps us adopt new tech early and keep and help us improve our delivery process.
Thank you. And how the staff is ready or readiness regarding the new technologies is poor prepare, is in the process of training and adaptation, moderately prepare, or highly training and open to change.
I like to say that teams are pretty open and engaged. Everybody's constantly learning, and really, that's really a part of the culture here. The weekly sessions really help people stay connected to what's new. Of course, since AI evolves fast, there's always more to learn, but overall, there's a strong willingness to adapt.
What are the main ethical concerns about the use of AI in your company? Privacy, data protection, bias and discrimination in algorithm, replacement of human jobs, or transparency in the decision making?
The two biggest concerns that we do face are privacy and being biased. Um, as you know, we do work with different industries and handle very sensitive data. So we try to pay close attention to data protection and making sure algorithms are fair and transparent. It's something we discuss openly when we are building or integrating AI models.
Right? And what are those mechanisms that Wiseline use to ensure ethical use of AI? They have internal policies or code of conducts, supervision by ethic committees or technological audits or external evaluations, or does not have at all specific policies defined yet.
We have internal policies that guide how we use data and AI responsibly. And depending on the project, we also work with client compliance or external audits. The goal is to make sure everything stays transparent and aligned with ethical and legal standards.
And how Wizeline has influence or of cultural diversity of the use of AI has creates communications and adaptation challenges, enriches team innovation and creativity, or does not have a significant impact, or sometimes cause conflicts.
Um, Cultural diversity has a really positive impact. As you know, our teams are global. We have people in Latin America, the US, Europe, Vietnam, and that mix of perspectiveness helps us design more inclusive and innovative solutions. It makes discussion around AI ethics and usability richer and more creative.
And but it's important of intercultural communication in teams that use AI in your company. It's not very important because the technology reduces cultural differences or is moderately or very important or is essential for the success of global work.
It's very essential. Since we collaborate across different countries and time zones, clear communication makes everything smoother, from aligning technical goals to understanding user needs. It also supports the shift left mentality because it keeps everyone aligned early on.
All right. And what is the most important competencies for a leader in the digital area that you consider that must have adaptability and continuous learning, critical thinking and change management, empathy and intercultural communication, or advanced tech technical knowledge in AI?
Um, I would say adaptability, continuous learning, critical thinking, and empathy. A good leader helps the team stay curious, navigate change, and experiment safety. Encourage, well, like you know, we do have this shift left mentality, so AI first mindset really starts with leadership.
All right. And that the last question is, how do you envision the role of human leadership in a future where AI plays an increasingly dominant role?
I think human leadership becomes even more important. AI can automate a lot, but empathy, ethics, and creativity still comes directly from people. Leaders will be the bridge of between technology and human value, making sure AI is used responsibly and that teams keep learning and growing. At Wiseline, that's exactly what we're aiming for, using AI to enhance people's work, not replace it.
All right. That's all the questions, Juan. Thank you so much for your time and for giving us this interview. Hope you have a great night.
You too. Have a wonderful night. Thank you
Thank you.
for having me here.